How to make money in real estate, we simplify. There are many kinds of businesses to choose from when getting started. One of the most popular businesses to get into is real estate. But how does one get started in this lucrative business? In today's video, we will give you the ultimate step-by-step guide to starting in real estate. Make sure to stay until the end so that you can get all the high-yield tips and important lessons you will need to understand the world of real estate business. Hi, welcome to RC Finance Guide, where we will be talking about topics of handling finances and making money. This channel will definitely boost your financial literacy. We upload videos to the channel for your watching pleasure 3 to 4 times per week. If you have any feedback and questions about this video or want topics you would like to see, make sure to comment them down below. Also, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be updated on all of our latest videos. When you are just starting out, real estate may not seem as appealing. You might be seeing some old house with a faded wooden fence and think that it's a sad business. But actually changing your perspective will make you realize that the old house has potential and it is equivalent to good money. Real estate is just a game of solving problems. If you solve a problem, you make money. When we talk about real estate, there are actually different kinds. Typically, when we mention real estate, you might imagine an open house where the hosts serve cookies and provide a tour of a 2-story home with 3 bedrooms. That's a good family home, but real estate is not limited to that. It includes residential, where people reside, commercial spaces where businesses reside, and industrials, where things are made. The most important question now is to ask which kind of real estate should I start to get involved with. As a beginner, the best to start with is single-family real estate or residential real estate. It's an entry level and it's also the least expensive among the 3. It's the best because it tends to generate a lot of income. Residential real estate generates high and reliable cash flow. The most obvious advantage of residential real estate is the sheer amount of cash flow that it could potentially generate. Unlike other types of businesses, the income from a residential property is relatively predictable and stable. For example, let's say I bought this simple single-family house with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms for $200,000. The bank will pay for the majority of the cost. I will just cover a down payment of around 3% of the costs, which is $6,000. You can turn a little bit of money into a lot of money. Aside from renting out this home to make a stable income, the house also appreciates in terms of cost over time. Someday, it could go up to $300,000, and you can use the money to pay off the bank and save the rest. Or, you could just use the money you earn to buy another one. If you bought 10 little homes like this and sold them after 5 years making a profit of $100,000 each, you can make $1 million. Did you know that since 1965, they have been tracking the cost of real estate, and it was noted that despite multiple recessions, the price of real estate consistently goes up. It continues to do so due to population increase. The more people there are, the higher the demand of real estate and the need to supply more homes. This results in a consistent increase in the price of real estate by an average of 4.58% every year since 1965. Going back to the example of the $200,000 house, if it goes up in the price to an estimated 5% every year, that's a $10,000 increase per year. This appreciation happens by merely owning the house. Basic homes with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms have the highest demand and are best to start with when getting into real estate. A common worry for a new investor in real estate is, what if I buy a house and no one rents it? This is why we need to look at supply and demand. It is important to know which real estate to buy, knowing that there is a good demand for it. Remember, the higher the price, the higher the risk. Over time, the cost of real estate goes up in value. There is a median where you can buy the property at $250,000. This is sweet spot and the best time to buy because this cost you can still get net cash flow and pay off the bank through the rent paid to you. If you go beyond this, you might also surpass the break-even point, and the amount of money you make through rent will not be enough to cover the cost of your bank loan and interest. This might lead you to paying for your loan out of the pocket. Overall, if you are still starting in a single-family real estate, do not buy overly expensive homes and aim to buy at the medium price. Any questions or clarifications so far? Please comment them down below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The next major point of the discussion is location matters. Real estate in New York is priced differently in California or Tennessee. It varies across the country. The national median price is around $250,000 to $300,000. Single-family homes above this cost me not wise investment for beginners in the long run. There are many strategies in real estate. We are going to focus on the top strategies to help you get started in the best way possible. First is rental. This is buying a house and renting it out. Second, fix and flip, wherein you buy the house, repair, and upgrade a few things and sell it at a higher cost. Third, rent to own, wherein you have the house rented by someone who can eventually own it. Fix and flips require the most time and effort, while renting out and renting to own both require minimal time and effort. As a quick rundown, here are the three main things you need to get started in real estate investment. Number 1, pick a strategy. As mentioned, you can rent out, fix and flip, or rent to own. It all depends on the time and effort you can invest, profitability and stability of the price of the property. Number 2, pick a mentor. Do not just depend on books. Get proper guidance and ask the right questions. Number 3, copy their system. Do not reinvent the wheel. There are plenty of people who have done well in real estate. It would not hurt to emulate their strategy to get you there as well. There you have it, a quick and straightforward guide for beginners in real estate. Do you have any questions or clarifications? Or are you in real estate business and have some personal suggestions and experiences you would like to share? Please tell us in the comments section below. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you want to get started in real estate, but your income is simply not enough, please watch our other videos on side hustles and part-time gigs that can help you earn extra. Please share this video to your friends who are also interested in getting into real estate business. As always, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you will be notified when we drop our next video. Take care.